My morning usually begins around 7:20. My alarm goes off and I like to just relax for a little bit in bed. And this is the time where I just kind of check up on my emails really quickly, any text messages that I've missed, and of course, cuddling with my absolutely adorable puppy. My workday starts pretty early in the morning. Right after I roll out of bed and brush my teeth, I head into my dining room / office. And as you can see, I'm putting on a sweatshirt because I teach English online to children in China and I don't want them to see me in my pajamas. You can see my backdrop is very childlike and fun. That blank spot is kind of where my head sits in the camera. I start doing this early in the morning. I teach about 2 to 4 classes each day in the morning, and that way I have the rest of the day to do other things. After teaching, I head into the kitchen for my favorite part of the morning, where I finally get to make coffee. While the coffee is brewing, I like to make myself a smoothie. And this is my favorite smoothie blend. It's the Welch's Fruit and Veggie Mamba Mix, and it is so good. I also add some collagen in there, some Vega vanilla protein powder, and almond milk and water, and it is delicious. About the vitamins. After I pour myself a wonderfully hot cup of coffee, I like to light some candles and set the mood for the day. This is my time in the day where I sit down, I have my coffee and my smoothie, and this is like my quiet time. I typically will do my devotions, journal, pray, kind of start my day with this, and also plan out how I'm going to spend the rest of my day. At this point in my morning, if I don't take a shower, I won't for the rest of the day. So I shower and pick out my clothes and get ready, usually to film. So it takes me a little bit of time to get ready, but this is where I spend a big chunk of my morning. After I kick Walter out of our bed and make it, it's usually time for his second walk of the day. Typically, Walter doesn't love to go on a walk. As you can see, I'm kind of trying to get him to get up. He's not a fan of walking, especially in the heat, but we just go outside so he can just have a quick little bit of exercise. At this point, I take time to set up my camera and all my gear because most of my day will then be spent either filming or editing. Typically, it's filming and it takes me a little bit of time to set everything up, check the batteries and the memory cards, things like that. And it just helps that when I'm ready to sit down and film, it's already ready for me. I am making my absolute favorite go-to lunch, which is this pre-packaged strawberry harvest salad. This is amazing. It has popped crispy quinoa, kale, and this strawberry vinaigrette. Absolutely incredible and very satisfying. That is it for my morning routine. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!